Hello, my lovely friends. You're most welcome back to my channel. See Elegant Nigeria with a fab channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you're old, you are welcome. Alright, guys, please check below. You see the subscribe button. Click on that subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified about video. Alright, guys. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to whiten your teeth to become more teeth. I do this like once in a while, it's not good to be doing it all the time. So guys, the first thing I'm gonna be needing is baking soda. Baking soda functions as a teeth whitener in two ways because of its abrasive nature. Baking soda removes built-up plaque on the teeth, and the alkaline powder in baking soda can help remove discoloration. With this method, you can have a very white teeth, dental plaque free. So guys, the next thing I'm going to be adding is Vaseline. So guys, all you'll be needing is half tablespoon of baking soda, half tablespoon of Vaseline. So guys, Vaseline acts as a protective layer against staining from what passes your lips. So guys, the next thing you're going to do is to mix this very well. It might take a little bit of time, but be patient enough to mix it so that it can form a very smooth paste. Alright guys, so let me show you some causes of dental plaque. Plaque develops when food containing carbohydrates, sugars, and starches such as milk, soft drink, raisins, cake, or candy are frequently left on the teeth. Bacteria that live in the mouth thrive on these foods, producing acids as a result. Over a period of time, these acids destroy tooth enamel, resulting in tooth decay. Plaque can also develop on the tooth roots, under the gum, and cause breakdown of the bone supporting the teeth. Worst case scenario. What you're also going to do that will help you is to follow with water, chase all your green and red green teas, coffees, and colas with water to dilute stains that are instantly forming. This will help restore your natural mouth pH level. So guys, here is my mixture, so I'm just gonna go ahead and brush. Right guys, so what you're gonna be doing basically is that this is not something that should be practiced frequently. It's something that should be done like once in a month, then later on you can do it like once in 3 months, because frequent practice of this, the effect of the baking soda might destroy your enamel. Ta-da! OMG guys, do you see how my teeth are sparkling bright? So guys, you see for yourself that this is so alright my beautiful people. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope the video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, consider subscribing. See you on my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye.